there! Welcome back to Learn German Daily, the channel where you learn real useful German one day at a time. Did you know there's a letter in the German alphabet that doesn't even exist in English? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to say it. So if you're brand new to German or just starting fresh, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get started. In today's lesson, we're covering the full German alphabet, all 26 letters, plus 4 special ones. We'll also learn how to pronounce each letter correctly and finish with a fun word tour using real German words. By the end, you'll be able to read and say any German word out loud, even if you've never seen it before. Let's go! Quick thing before we dive in. If you're serious about learning German and don't want to miss a single day of this journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if this helps you even a little, drop a like. It really helps this channel grow. Okay, let's learn some German. All right, let's start with the first half of the alphabet. I'll say each letter in German, then you repeat after me. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Notice how yacht sounds nothing like English? That one trips up a lot of beginners, so good job sticking with it. Let's do a quick round 2, a bit faster this time. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Nice work! Halfway through. Now let's finish the alphabet. Repeat after me again. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now here comes the fun part, German's special letters. These don't exist in English, so listen closely. E, Ö, Ü, Eszett. That last one is called Eszett, and it sounds just like a sharp S. Great job! You just learned the entire German alphabet. Now let's use what we learned with some real German words. I'll say the word, then you repeat it. Apfel, meaning apple. Buch, meaning book. Käse, meaning cheese. Straße, meaning street. Über, meaning over or above. See? You're already reading real German words on day 1. That wasn't so bad, right? And that's a wrap for day 1. Let's do a quick recap. You learned the full German alphabet, how to pronounce every letter, including the special ones, and 5 real German words to start building your vocabulary. Tomorrow, on day 2, we're learning basic German greetings, how to say hello, good morning, and goodbye, like a native. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow.